Hello. Welcome to the world of high-tech gadgets. In this video I am going to introduce 6 coolest gadgets that you can buy on Amazon by using links that are available in description. But before we get started, please press subscribe button. Number 6. Switchbot. Switchbot, a simple switch to a smart home. Switchbot is easy to use. Easy to set up the Hub Mini and Switchbot app. With Smart Learning Mode, it can mimic your existing remote control in 5s. USB powered and portable, you can take and place it in everywhere. One for all, pair your air conditioner, TV, and other infrared appliances to the Hub Mini. All devices in one app. It's the gateway of Switchbot ecosystem. Connect all Switchbot devices and home appliances to the internet, enable the cloud service of your Switchbot devices. Enjoy voice control, works with Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri and IFT. You can control your Switchbot devices and home appliances with a simple voice command. Enjoy the convenience at fingertips. Number 5. Deebot Vacuum Cleaner. Deebot has interchangeable suction plates to master carpet and hard floor cleaning. It also has edge and spot mode to concentrate on specific areas. This technology enables the Deebot to skillfully navigate and map your floor plan in real time. The map is interactive, allowing freedom to customize. You can start, stop, or charge your Deebot with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or mobile device via the EcoVax app. Deebot will automatically install updates via Wi-Fi. Also, Deebot informs you on its progress with real-time voice reporting. Customers should try mapping a smaller area first to ensure products map successfully. Number 4. Safedome. By using Safedome, you can use your phone to find your tracker or use the tracker to find your phone. Simply push the blue button and your phone will ring, even if it's on silent. It is the same length and height as a credit card. It is slightly thicker, depth, than a credit card, but fits into your credit card slots. The Safedome app reads the battery and displays the battery level in the item information screen. It does show the last location, even when outside Bluetooth range. If you walk away from your valuable, it records the last location on Google Maps. Number 3. Hydralight Flashlight. Hydralight flashlight comes with 2 fuel cells. Fuel cell flashlight works on a hydro charge. Simply dip the fuel cell in water. Hydralight flashlights are no battery flashlights lasting up to 100 hours per charge. By expanding the barrel, it becomes a hands-free lantern that supplies light to the entire area. With a handheld light you need one hand to hold the light, but with a Hydralight you now have both hands free. Number 2. Mezone. The sound of Mezone is optimized in both frequency and impulse response through digital sound processing to create a perfect balance of treble and bass. Once fully charged, Mezone headphones support an ultra-long playtime of 8 hours and 80 hours in total added by the charging case. To charge the case, simply place it on a wireless charging mat, or plug a cable into its Type-C charging port. You will get both wireless earphones and wireless charger in the package. There is no need to take the headphones out of the case. Just open and pair. Cutting-edge Qualcomm chip allows each earbud to pair to your device individually. So, you can use either one separately and switch between the two without any delay or interruption. Number 1. VR Real Feel. VR Real Feel Racing is the only virtual reality gaming system that gives you control with a real steering wheel to be able to accelerate, brake and steer with max force feedback to feel the vibrations in the wheel when you bump other racers or the wall. Works with your iPhone or Android smartphone for 3D HD graphics. VR headset has a comfortable foam face, adjustable straps, and an adjustable cradle that will fit up to an Apple iPhone 7 Plus. You can also use our headset with your iPhone or Android smartphone with hundreds of other free VR apps available in the App Store or Google Play.